Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Stock Buddha. Imbibe, infer and invest. We learn, we understand and then we do an investing. So guys, if any of my plays has helped you in any way and you have made some money, I would like you to like and subscribe my channel and do me a favor by sharing it to your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification. So guys, on the road to 50k, without wasting our time further, let's rock. So we go to our portfolio here and see how we did in the last week and in the last month. So if you see guys, we started with 5k and it's 1 month done. We started on January 4th and it's like end of the month and we are sitting at around $6,115.79, which is more than 20% profit in a month. And I think well done guys. You have rode with me and I have my few colleagues who were playing with this channel and they made pretty decent amount because they were in options. I do not want you guys to go into options directly until you understand it properly. I do play options in my other portfolios, but because this is our learning channel, we'll do it slowly, but we'll reach there. Don't worry about it. So guys, this was the monthly chart, and if we go here, this was the daily chart where we lost 2.5%, and that is okay. There was a pullback in the market and we cannot always show the greens to you. We should also embrace when there is a market pullback. We should embrace that, okay, we have lost this much, but because we have positions, we build up the positions, we should be going good in the long run. So now if you see stock profit and loss here, and in the if you see like weekly profit and loss, we are good with $200 or $440 here in the week. So coming back to the market conditions guys, you already know what is going on in the Wall Street and the GME, which is not stopping with the short squeeze and everything is disbalanced. I think guys, this was insane, and particularly I am never in favor of such plays because it can make you millionaires and it can make your portfolio wipe again, in just a day or so. So I don't advise guys to go and play into this until you have a risk portfolio. Don't do this. And because of this, as we were predicting, like the pullback, which we were saying like this, which is healthy for the market anyways, there has to be a pullback, there has to be a consolidation, and we were expecting it around end of February. But what I predict now, because of these things happening and the hedge funds going to liquidate their assets, there can be a pullback which can range up to 10%. And guys, for this, what I want to give an upfront warning, or basically you should be taking it in a positive way, like, okay, keep your cash. If there are places where you can just book the profits and you are good, keep some cash out and wait for the pullback, and then we put in the money again and then right back. So it's not of a concern, basically it's like an opportunity which you guys are getting, and I think we should be using it. So said that further, again I would like to remind, this is in the first video when I spoke in my channel, I said like we shall be feeding our particular account every month or every like 15 days or so. You should put in some money into your account, because again, see what happens is like you are already in a play and then the play has not arrived yet, and then there is another play you want to go into according to the channel, and then you cannot because you are stuck with your money. So guys, there are situations which come along and then you have to put in some money to your account on a regular basis so that you have the liquid to go into multiple places simultaneously. So guys, go ahead and put in some money. Again, the money transfer again on Webull will take some time, like 2 or 3 days. So prepare it accordingly what you want to do. And I also put in like 500 bucks in the account, which is going to be coming on Monday, I guess. So I should be good. So now, without delaying that, let's congratulate to the guys who played the Macy's play in the last option, which I said in the last video. And guys, hats off to you if you played it and made some profit. Let's go and see how we did in the options play. If you see here, we played the Macy's 13 play, and I asked the new beginners to go for a leap play, and for the younger ones, like when those who are having a risk appetite, they can go for the March calls. Doesn't matter. And then we made around 300 bucks here, so that was good. We also booked the profit in Macy's, because if you remember in the second video when I said the Macy's would be going to 20s and then it will retrace, and same thing happened. Like fuel cell, we did the same thing, and we are going to do the same thing in Macy's. It touched 20, we booked the profits. Those who did not book the profit, don't worry, they can again be in the play. It will again go to 20s and even beyond that, but like 20 is our cutoff where we get off the train. Guys, we should not be greedy like it's going to be 25 and 26. It doesn't matter. We are done for the day. We wash our hands, we walk away. There are many plays we'll be coming up with. We'll get into the new plays, make a position before others make it, and then ride the journey. So guys, for Macy's, there is something which I say, there is a rinse and repeat thing. It did touch 20, but it came back, and with the pullback in the vision, I think it will again pull back to 15s or so. You guys can go ahead and ride the Macy's again with the same option call. Take it, ride it, make it 300 bucks, make 400 bucks, whatever you want according to your appetite, and then done and dusted. So that was one thing. Those who actually made some money, I would like them to comment that how much you made, and then let others see that you did right and you did great. So that is one thing. Now coming back to the plays which I want to add in the portfolio. So guys, I mean, again, you don't have to jump straight in. You have to look for the prices, which I will be saying. You should be looking for the support and the resistance. So that is how I have calculated and I see them. So I'll be giving you the price points. If you want to jump in right now, go and nibble it, and then if it comes down, go ahead and add it more. So that way you should be safe and you should be making more and more profits. So the first ticker which we want to go into is bingo again. So bingo, we have seen like it went to 14s and then it came back to 10s. What does that mean is that it is consolidating itself, and this is a good sign. Now I went and digged up in bingo a lot, and then I see like at this price point in bingo, this is where we can jump in. It's sitting at 11.05 right now. So what makes it different right now? Bingo actually has like a lot of FDA approvals in line. If you see and go and read about it, then it's like for the clinical tool of cancer and genetic diseases, it has an FDA approval pending, which is again good thing. Then if you go and see, okay, what we need to do else is, if you see here the revenue estimate of bingo for the quarter of March, what we see here is the numbers, but what appeals to me is the growth. The sales growth in March is whopping 217%, guys. That means this bingo is going to 20s. No one can stop it right now. So I want you guys to load it up at 10s or 9s. If 9s, then just load the boat and then we will sail it to 20. That is our price target. It doesn't matter it goes to 21 or 22. Guys, we have to learn to book our profits. I got like a lot of messages in Macy's like they missed the boat, they did not get off at 20. But then this is something which you have to learn. You have to go and put a sale order, a limit sale order. I'll show you how to do that in a second. But again, for this, bingo is something which we are going to play in the pullback, and going Monday you start adding bingo. So guys, if you see in the positions right now, we have GNOG. So GNOG has been hit hard this week, but again, this is the position which we were looking for earlier, which we did not get, unfortunately. Now if you see here, it is sitting at $17.96. This is a gold mine, guys. You will never get golden nuggets at this golden price ever again. If it pulls to 16, it's even better. will be keep adding. If you see the portfolio, the highest which we have added is golden nuggets right now. We'll add it, we'll sit down and then wait for the ride. Guys, if you want to play any option plays on golden nuggets, you are good to go on the golden nuggets. So I have done that for you, which one you should be picking up. So for the golden nuggets, guys, I would like you to go ahead and pick 21st January 2022 leap call, so that you're not worried about the money. It's as good as having the stocks. The only thing is like there is a time risk, but still I think 2022 is much better. There's no risk at all according to me, and I play with this usually in my long-term accounts. So it's at strike price of 25. You go ahead and do the thing. So what is the output? I have calculated it for you. So currently you pay 530 bucks for one option, and then our target price obviously is 50s, but even it comes to 35 or something in by the May, you are making around 200% profit. That means you, for every $500 you walk away with $1,000. So this is options, guys. I am giving you an option to play options, but you should not only be going with options. You should have 125 150 shares minimum in your account if you want, or minimum 100 shares. Why 100 shares? Because as we go further, we will be actually going ahead with something called passive incomes, which is called covered calls in options. We sell the call, we collect the premium, and then we sit down. We do nothing. Our stock does not move during the consolidation phase. We do that at that point of time. We collect the premium and just keep it done for the week. That's a good income. Slowly, we'll gradually going to do that. So these are the two stock, guys, which we want to do play and start consolidating in the portfolio. There will be another few stocks which I'll be coming in the mid of the week. Probably I'll try to make the video in the midweek, and probably I'll come up with we can be adding for a long-term portfolio. Before that, I would like to say and tell you how we have to do a limit sale, which many of you guys asked. So I'll go here, and suppose I have something called a TTCF. I go and say here close order, and what I do is I go and do a sell, and then I do a limit sell. For example, I want okay, my tattooed chef should go at 30, so I'll go ahead and do a 30 limit call. And then, guys, you have to see here, you have to select GTC. GTC is like good to trade, it's cancelled, and then extended hours is also yes, and then you place the order. So this is how it is done. Those who don't know, I think it might have helped you guys. Just put a limit order, and then you can sleep at night. Whenever it touches 30, you have actually logged in your profits, and that is most important thing in stock market. When you are investing, you must lock in your profits. So guys, that would be all for this video. See you on the next video. Have a good day. Do like and subscribe and share to your friends, and do me a favor. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.